Welcome to today's video. So in this video we are doing a Project Limitless review, and I'm pretty excited about this because basically if you don't know what this product is or you're looking for some more information about this, it's essentially automated forex trading in the gold markets. Now if none of that makes any sense to you, then don't worry, because in this video I'm going to share with you the sales page. I'll show you inside of the course, and I'll also share something with you which doesn't come with many of these automated trading things, which is this over here, which is the Discord group. Okay, so basically for you long time viewers, you know that I trial and test things when it comes to making money online. Now we've trialed and tested a number of these pieces of software over the years. We trialed this one here, which was called the Gold Bot. We also tried a piece of software called the Asia Trader, and we also trialed one called Nerview. And some of these were great, some of these were pretty terrible, and I'm still using a couple of these to date. And when I first got told about this one over here, I got interested in this because instead of having to use your own money, which puts many people off when it comes to forex trading, inside of this course here they will show you how to use other money, not yours. They will show you how you can partner up with companies like this one over here, whereby you pay a small fee and you get access to up $10,000, $25,000, and it goes a lot higher. But you don't get access to this until you go through these phases over here. And look, we'll go through this all in a minute. But look, essentially what happens here is you buy this piece of software, you connect this piece of software to a trading account like this one over here. The software does everything for you, and basically by the end of this you can start earning money hands-free. Okay, sounds great, doesn't it? Now I've been trialing and testing this for about 6 trading days, because the forex market doesn't trade on a weekend. So let me look on my phone now. So today's closed because it's coming up to 11:15, but hopefully you can see this. So today the software is can you see that? Hopefully you can see that. It's $119.25 in profit. Okay, pretty good. So let's start at the beginning of this and how this all works. So this is the sales page, and I will put a link to this down below for you, and you can go ahead and have a look at this, because on this sales page here there's something a bit different. So first of all, it's a 56-minute video, and it walks you through this whole concept of what this is, how they came up with it. And basically this is Trevor, this is Jonas, and there's another guy called Bo, and you can see his name on here. They spent months trialing and testing this piece of software. Now there's a number of things why I'm actually really impressed with this. So again, I'll drop links to the sales page below for you. You can go ahead and have a look at this yourself. But if I come over here, this is what it looks like on the inside of the software. Okay, and there's a live case study included in here. So Trevor over here, he does a case study from start to finish. He shares with you his results, how to set this up, and then there's other resources in here. There's a couple of webinars, frequently asked questions, and lots more. And I like this because in the past when I have bought any of these softwares, whether it was where's it gone? Whether it was this Gold Bot over here, whether it was Asia Trader, whether it was the Nerview system and others, they didn't really come with a complete, step-by-step training plan like what we see over here. So once you've bought the software, this is what it looks like. And this is Jonas. He does most of the videos inside of here. He walks through, exactly what this is, how to get all of this up, and, creating a Discord group. Then it comes over here, look, walks through all this. Then they've got done for you, and then they've got setting up your app. And basically, look, walks through the process, how to set it up, how to download it, interface explained, downloading the app, installing the app, etc, etc. Okay, then there's Trevor's case study. Then we've got let's go, look, so getting your challenge, installing the app, frequently asked questions, and lots more. And one final thing I'll share with you inside of here is Trevor's case study. So if we just go over here to, let's go here, go and app my results. This is Trevor's exact results, and he goes through this. So you can see this is day 1, and then he goes through like day 2. And if I can let me see if I can make this bigger for you. So really quickly, I'm going to play this.
Hey, it's Trevor here, and welcome.
I'll pause that, and let's see if I can make it bigger. Yeah, so is that, I'm still checking I'm still recording. Yes, I am. So you can see here when Trevor was setting this up, this was on his first day, he made $2. The following day, 1,400, the following, well, this was on a weekend, so the 4th, and then obviously it's restarted again on the Monday. He earned $860 on the Monday, and this is just part of this case study, and it goes through, and then it goes on to day 2, and yeah, and like you see here, day 4, day 5, and day 6. So it goes through the full case study. So basically, once you've got the software, you download this. They also give you access to this over here, which is the Discord group, okay? Now, you can only get access to the Discord group by providing your information, whereby, you actually did go ahead and buy the software, so you can't join unless you've got this. Now, inside of here, they have announcements, so you can see on here, this was yesterday, avoid trading tomorrow. Pretty cool. And then they've got lots more things in here, so they've got general chat and other bits. But if I come down, let's go to flex your results. You can see over in this group here, people are sharing, look, daily goals. What is that? 800 daily goals. Come further on the page here. You can see I've not been in this for a few days. Look, someone here just noticed I have passed phase 1 on my 10k account. And then there's lots more going on inside of this group. Now, how it works is you've got 2 options. If you want to use your own funds, you absolutely can do. But what they share inside of here, inside of this Project Limitless, is how to partner up with companies like My Forex Funds and basically earn as a professional trader without having to use your own funds. So let's just go with this one over here, look, Rapid. So let me click on here and I'll show you how this works. So it gives you an introduction about this. It goes over the 6 points to remember. And basically, you connect this website, My Forex Funds, you connect this to your Project Limitless software. They call the software the APE, A-P-E. And then, once it's all set up, you go through this here. We've got phase 1 and phase 2. And by the end of it, you are then given access to those funds, and then you can start what is known as a profit share. So these are the points that you remember with the software. So number 1 is 5% daily drawdown. You must not have a 5% drawdown based on your balance or equity. And again, all of this is covered inside of the software, inside of the course. You've got an overall 12% drawdown, but look, we can see here, step 3, 8% profit target phase 1. You need to reach the minimum of 8% without breaching any of the rules within a 30-day calendar period. Okay, so you can't breach this rule or this rule here. That's phase 1. Once you've completed phase 1, you're then at phase 2. And you can see here, you will need to start on phase 2 where you were required to reach a target profit of 5% without a breach of the previous rules. And then you've got 5 days trading, and then we've got no restrictions. Now, in terms of, how much can you earn partnering up with a company like this, if I come over here, look, it says you can earn up to an 85% profit split on the profits you earn when you reach the funded account stage. And you can go ahead and have a look at these other things on this page here. It walks through all this. But yeah, it's pretty cool to say the least. Now, in terms of these, you can see the different trading accounts along the bottom, how much it will cost you to start, the phase of going through this. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this software, to say the least. There's also some really cool features inside of the software. So you can set your daily, your daily allowance of when you want the bot to stop. So when I first started trialing this, I set it at $100 daily. It's an easy number, isn't it? Once it gets to $100 or, above that, then to stop all trades and close them. You can also set this so that the drawdown, so you remember the drawdown up here? So this 5% daily drawdown, you can say, right, I do not want this account to go below 4%, and then again, it will close all of the trades out for you. You can also change the times when it trades, and again, inside of the group here, they've got lots of different things in here for you, especially in the suggestions tab, and also, where is it? In the ape settings over here, they have suggestions for you depending on your time zone, the best times to trade this. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this, to say the least. So, in a couple of, I'd probably say about 4 more weeks, I'll actually do a full article on this and I'll stick it over on the website and you can have a read of this. But in the meantime, I'll drop a link to the sales page below for you. You can go ahead and have a look at this. So yeah, that is Project Limitless. Essentially, it is an automated Forex trading bot. It comes with the course here, the software, it comes with a Discord group, and it walks through this whole process. And as I've mentioned, you don't have to use your own funds. You can partner up with companies like My Forex Funds, but you will have to pay a one-time fee down here, but you know, paying $84 to get access to $10,000 of trading money is pretty good. So look, let me know if you've got any comments or questions. I'll leave a link to everything down below for you. So yeah, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.